Okay, so here comes the fun part. Now we get to poof it up. So what I do is get it where I want it, part-wise, and then I take this crown section around and pull that up. Then, and take my back comb, get some hairspray, spray right at the root on this, get my comb, and bring down towards the root, all the way across, comb out the ends, and just let it lay. And that's what's gonna give you that bump. Makes sense? Then I take my spray, and I spray the top. Then I grab my side section here. Okay, so I get this section, grab my spray, bring it towards the root. Then I grab the section underneath it. I don't spray this one, bring it to the root, because that one gives it just a little bit of lift, but I don't want it to lift too much above my ears. Then I grab that, bring it down, kind of smooth it out, make sure it's connected to the back section here, and then spray. Same thing on this side. Grab that section. Grab your spray. Connect it to the back. Grab the underneath. Do a little swipe here. And smooth it all back. Make sure it's connected back there.